Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the ultimate Ears Everboom Bluetooth speaker. This speaker promises a blend of robust sound performance and durability, perfect for outdoor adventures and parties. Let's start with the design. The Everboom features a rugged, cylindrical shape with an IP67 rating, making it dust-proof and waterproof up to 3 feet deep for 30 minutes. It weighs just under 2 pounds and includes a convenient carabiner for easy portability, though it lacks a built-in handle. Now, onto the sound quality. The Everboom impresses with its 360-degree sound output, ensuring consistent audio coverage in any environment. The bass is particularly notable, offering deep, rich tones that enhance music genres like dance and hip-hop. Vocals remain clear even at high volumes. In terms of features, the speaker includes NFC pairing and an outdoor boost mode, which increases volume and enhances sound projection. It supports Bluetooth connectivity and has a solid range of up to 180 feet, making it versatile for various setups and outdoor use. Battery life is another strong point, providing up to 20 hours of playtime on a single charge. Ideal for extended outings without needing a recharge. While it lacks Wi-Fi connectivity, the Bluetooth connection is stable and supports easy pairing with mobile devices. Using the UE Boom app, you can customize EQ settings and activate different audio profiles. Although it only allows for one custom EQ at a time. The app also facilitates firmware updates and manages speaker controls conveniently. In conclusion, the ultimate Ears Everboom is a standout Bluetooth speaker for those seeking a robust, portable audio solution. With its impressive sound performance and rugged design, it's a solid choice for anyone who enjoys music on the go. Thank you for watching this review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews like this. See you next time.